We continue with the configure reseller query here. So very much similar like what we have done just now. Yeah. So here we're going to configure the reseller query. You open again this one. Yeah. So select the team reseller, and then after that you're going to rename this to become the reseller only. Yeah. Okay, after that you're going to remove all the column except for the reseller key, business type key, and so on. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this 4 column. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so choose the column. After that we select this to remove all, then keep the reseller key, business type, after that the reseller name, and then after that the team geography. Okay, so if you cannot find, then just type, yeah, team geography. Okay, so we have selected the 4 column. Click OK. Yeah, and then expand the team geography here. Then select all to unselect all the column, and then keep only the city, and then after that the state province name, and then the English country region name. Okay, 3 columns. Yeah. On the business type column header, select the down arrow, and then review, then notice both value warehouse and warehouse. So that's in the business type. Yeah. Okay, so we have the warehouse with the single word or 2 words. Okay, so we're going to replace. Yeah, in the replace field, right click the business type, then after that replace the value. Replace the value. So we look for the warehouse, separate word, and then we replace with this warehouse like this. Yeah, then okay. Yeah, click OK, and then rename the column. Yeah, business type to become the business type with a space in the middle, and then the reseller name to become the reseller only. Okay, and then state province name change to the state province. Like this. Okay, and then English country region name we change to the country region. Okay, yeah, in the status bar verify 6 column 701. Yeah, 6 column 701, this one. Okay, yeah, so correct. Then after that continue. Configure the region query. Yeah, so region, so team sales territory, and then after that rename to region. Okay, apply the filter to sales territory alternate key column to remove the value 0. Yeah, okay, so here in the region, so go to the sales territory alternate key. Yeah, this one. Yeah, the value 0. So you can filter Okay, yeah, and then after that like this, yeah. Okay, after that apply the filter to sales territory and get column to remove the value. Okay, remove the value 0. So okay, here, so we select all, but we don't include the 0. Okay, remove the all column except the following. Yeah, so go to the choose column, then unselect all, only keep the sales territory key, and then the sales territory region, then sales territory country, then sales territory group. Okay, this one. Okay, rename this to sales territory region to region. Rename. So remove this to only keep region. After that, the country become country. Okay, then group. Region, country, group. Okay, so it has the now 4 column, then 10 rows. Yeah, 4 column, 10 rows. Let's check. Yeah, correct. Yeah, 4 columns and 10 rows. This one. Yeah. Okay, then after that, the last, not the last, yeah, the sales target, and then yeah, sales target. So there are two more query, yeah, sales and target. Okay, yeah, sales query. This one, yeah. Select the fact reseller sales and then change to sales. Okay. Yeah, rename to the sales only. Okay, then after that we already have sales. Then remove the all column except for this. Yeah, okay, so choose column and then select all, remove. Yeah, sales order number. Yeah, then after that order date. Yeah, after that product key, then reseller key, employee key, sales territory key, order quantity, and then unit price, and then total product cost, sales amount, then the team product. Okay, how many? 1 2 3 4 5 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, click OK. 11 columns. Okay, expand the team product. Yep, okay, expand. Then after that remove the all the column and then include only the standard cost. This, yeah, click OK. To create a custom column on the add column ribbon tab from the inside general group, yeah, select the custom column. Okay, so you need to go to the add column. So here add column, then after that the custom column, and then the column name is the cost. Okay, after that in the custom column formula enter the following expression. Yeah, after the equal symbol, then save. Okay, so for this you can go to the folder, yeah, in the download here snippets. Yeah, So here, yeah, cost custom column expression. So you copy this to avoid the typo or wrongly the copy paste. Yeah. So use this. Okay, yeah. So if total product cost equal to null, then order quantity times standard cost, else total product cost. Click OK. Okay, yeah. Then we populate the custom column cost. Remove the following two columns: total product cost and standard cost. Yeah, this one total product cost, and so you can click this one. After that, remove. Yeah, and then you can also remove the standard cost. Yeah. You can remove one by one, or you also can remove the together. I did just now one by one. Rename the following column order quantity to become the quantity only. So the instruction is in the lab guide or assignment guide. Yeah. Unit price become the unit price with the space in between. Okay, then after that the sales amount is sales. Change to sales. Okay, yep. Okay, then after that to modify the column data type in the quantity column header, at the left of the column name, select the 1.12. Yeah, okay. So quantity column, this one. Yeah. Okay. So here we change to the whole number. So from the decimal to whole number. Modify the following three column data types to fixed decimal number. Unit price. Yeah. Unit price to the fixed decimal number, and then sales fixed decimal number, and then cost fixed decimal number. Okay, yeah. In the status bar, so check here, yeah, in the status bar you have the 10 column 999 plus, yeah. So if it is more than 1000, okay, 10 column, yeah, okay. So correct, yeah, 10 column and then 999 plus. Okay, now you configure the targets query. So select the target query. Okay, reseller sales target. Yep, so I already have rename the query from the reseller sales target to targets. And then to unpivot the 12-month column M01 to M12, first multi-select the year and employee ID column, yeah, year. Then hold the control button in control key in your keyboard. Then click the employee ID. Okay, after that write either, then after that unpivot the other columns. Yeah, so here unpivot the other columns. Okay, yeah, so after that notice that the column names now appear in the attribute column and the value appears in the value. This one M01, yeah, and then the value. Okay, apply the filter to the value column to remove the hyphen value. Okay, so here filter, yeah, to remove the hyphen. Click OK. Yeah. Okay, now rename the attribute to become the month number. Okay, then value as a target. Okay, and to prepare for the month number column value, right click the month number column header and then replace the value. Search for the M, yeah, and then after that replace with the empty, yeah, then okay. Then after that modify the month number column to the whole number, yeah, this one, the data type, and then add the column ribbon, add column, yeah, from the example. Okay, add column from the example, and the first row is for year 2017 and month number is 7. Okay, yep. After that in the column 1, in the first grid cell, comments entering 71207. Yeah, so 7/1/2017, press enter. Yeah, so then this will auto generate, yeah, follow this pattern. The month is 7 and then the date is 1 and then the year is 2007, taken from this year column. This automatic, yeah. Notice also that the formula presented above the query grid, yeah, this one, yeah, transform, yeah. Then click OK. So we're going to rename the new column, this one, double click the merge, yeah. After that change to the target month. Okay, remove the following columns, year and then month number. Okay, so use the column, yeah, so remove the column year and month number. Okay, so we only left with this, yeah. Modify the following column data types, target as a fixed decimal number. Target, yeah, fixed decimal number. This one is quite the DDS, yeah, so be careful. Target month as a date. Okay. To multiply the target value by 1000, then select the target column and then on the transform ribbon. Okay, and then after that select the target column header and then on the transform ribbon tab from the insert number column group select the standard, yeah. Okay, standard, after that multiply. Okay, this one is standard, yeah. Then after that multiply with 1000 in the value box, type 1000 and then click OK, yeah. So this now is multiply. In the status bar, yeah, so here check the 3 columns 809 rows, yeah, 3 columns 809 rows, correct, yeah. Okay, then after that yeah, after this we're going to configure the color format query.